Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove the background on CapCut. I will teach you 2 easy steps. So the first thing we have to do is to select a clip. I'm going to use this clip of Santa Claus dancing on a green screen. Beside the clip on the right side, make sure you're here on video. And select remove background or remove BG. Then what we're going to do is just click chroma key right here. After that, just click this color picker and select the green screen. Then just adjust the intensity and the shadow however you like. Another quick method is auto removal right here. Just click that and wait for a moment. Above the clip, it will show you that it is applying autocorrect. It would only take a moment, and once it reaches 100%, the background is gone. To add the background, just add a clip. I'm going to add this one because it has a Christmas vibe to it. And make sure that your clip without the background is above your background clip. And here you go. It is very simple and easy. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.